Alright peeps, it's that time again for another unwrapping, and this time I will be unwrapping the 2012 SummerSlam, which I picked up on clearance at FYE for $1.75, brand new. So let's get into it. Too bad that the WWE's cut back on their Blu-rays, man. Prefer Blu-rays over DVDs anytime. Better quality, you get extra stuff that's on the Blu-ray that you don't get on the DVD. Like, like here. There's let's take a look at the back here. See, the Blu-ray has exclusives that are not on the DVD. So you get all that. CM Punk, some more stuff here. So there's the back. You got a running time of 3.5 hours. There's the front. There's the side. Let's take a look at the inside. You got the SummerSlam in there. You got the one Blu-ray disc. You got the matches on the back. Along with, you know, the Blu-ray exclusives. That's why I go after the Blu-rays over the DVDs, better quality and exclusives. So that is it for my 2012 SummerSlam Blu-ray unwrapping. Stay tuned, because up next will be the Royal Rumble 2010 Blu-ray unwrapping. Alright, peace.